A very good afternoon to all. I, Ankush Sharma, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. So today we will discuss the topic magnetism. So let's start. So here, first of all, introduction. So magnetism has attained a place of pride in the field of electrical engineering. Hans Christian Ørsted had discovered in 1819 a relation between the electric current and magnetism, that is called electromagnetism. The relation between electric current and magnetic system is called electromagnetic system. So it was just an accidental discovery. After taking the class, he just placed a current carrying conductor near a magnetic needle. Now, after that, a needle was deflected and the phenomena of electromagnetism was discovered. So, without electromagnetism, it is impossible to operate such devices as electric generators, motors, transformers, electric instruments, radio, television, etc. So these instruments are based on the principle of electromagnetism or electromagnetic induction. Our transformer, our generator, our motors, so these are based on the principle of EMI, electromagnetic induction. So now we will discuss about magnets. So what are magnets? A substance that attracts the iron pieces is called a magnet, and the property by which this attraction takes place is called magnetism. So here we have a magnet having north and south pole. So this is the magnet which attracts the iron pieces is called a magnet, and the property by which this attraction takes place is called magnetism. So certain types of iron ores, that is magnetite, and formula of magnetite is Fe3O4. So a magnet having north and south pole, and these are the magnetic lines of force. So these are the iron pieces. So this magnet attracts these iron pieces is called magnet. Now certain types of iron ores, magnetite, that is Fe3O4, possesses this property of attracting small iron pieces and are called magnets. So this magnet attracts these small iron pieces, and the property of attracting small pieces, iron pieces, are called magnets. Now these are the types of magnets. So magnets are classified as natural magnets and artificial magnets. And artificial magnets are further divided into two types. First one is magnets, and temporary magnets and permanent magnets. So this is all over about magnetism and magnets. What are magnets and its types? So please subscribe our RPIIT YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Thank you so much.